In the bustling land of CodeVille, there lived a group of app-building developers. They crafted magical apps that could do pretty much everything. They could sing and dance, calculate, and even tell jokes. But sometimes, and I mean sometimes, tiny troublemakers called bugs would sneak into the code. Oh, those pesky bugs loved nothing more than causing chaos. They'd make buttons disappear, turn text upside down, and even freeze screens like ice. That's why the Testers Guild was formed. These were brave heroes trained to find bugs and report them properly so the developers could squash them. One day a new tester named Lina joined the guild. She was smart, curious, and eager to help, but she didn't yet know how to report a bug like a real tester. So her mentor, the great Sir Debug, took it upon himself to teach her. Finding a bug is only half the job, he said. Reporting it well is how you help the whole team. A messy report confuses developers, but a clear one, that's pure gold. He then handed Lina a glowing scroll with the 4 golden steps of bug reporting. Step 1. Title it clearly. It's broken. Bad. Not a good title. Login button not working on mobile Chrome. Good. This is a good title. Step 2. Explain how to make it happen again. To reproduce the bug, open the app, tap Login, enter your username and password, tap the button, and instead of logging in, nothing happens. Step 3. Describe what you expected versus what really happened. I expected the user to log in, but instead the button does nothing. And step 4. Add proof. Here's a screenshot of the error. It looks like this. Or I've also attached a screen recording of the issue. Following these steps ensures that developers can understand the issue quickly and efficiently fix it. Then came the big test. Lina was on her own now. The fate of CodeVille's apps rested on her shoulders. But wait, what was that? There in the distance, Lina saw an enormous cupcake with the words, "Buy 10, get 1 free," written on it. What a deal. But when she clicked Buy Now, the screen went blank. Oh no, a bug. Taking a deep breath, Lina reported it just like she had learned. Title: Checkout crashes when ordering 11 or more cupcakes. Steps to reproduce: add 10 cupcakes to cart. Proceed to checkout. Expected: order should complete. Actual: app crashes with error message. Proof: attached screenshot of error. Wow. When the developers saw her report, they cheered, clear as crystal. Lina, you're a true tester now. And so, thanks to Lina and all the testers who know how to report like pros, CodeVille's apps became stronger, smoother, and bug-free.